Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own unique, attractive thumbnails to reach more clicks. And the app I'm going to be using today is Canva. Here are some examples of thumbnails I made. So Canva is a designing app where you can use it for shirts, postcards, flyers, etc. But the main focus today, we're going to be using it for YouTube thumbnails. So you're going to go ahead and search up YouTube thumbnails in the search, and it's so it can give you the right size. And while you search it up, it's also going to give you different designs people made for your thumbnails, and you can either use it and edit it and make it your own, or you can just take inspiration from it and really start from scratch. If you were to go ahead and take somebody else's template and edit it, you will really have to personify it yourself and change the fonts, maybe, and the colors and the images and the stickers, because you don't want to go ahead and use it and just some people just may know that you copy somebody else's style, and you don't really want that. But it's okay because I do it sometimes, but I really make it my own and stick it out for myself, like how the way I like it, and it will signify me. So I'm gonna go ahead and click the YouTube blank thumbnail and start from scratch. So you're gonna go ahead and pick a background. It's gonna be an engaging image of what your video is about. So if you're showing someone how to braid or do this, you want to go ahead and put images of braiding and hands so they can know what that video is about. So obviously my video is about computer editing, and so I'm going to head and find images of computers and the editing browsers. So you might not know exactly what your thumbnail is gonna look like, and that's okay because some people don't and some people do know. But the whole thing is you should know is what your video is about, and you should put that out there if somebody ever wants to see. In my opinion, I think Canva is really good because it gives you graphics, frames, and actual photos of images if you want it animation or actual real life pictures. And I like that about Canva. Sometimes they have AI to help you a bit if you want to want to create your own image. So that's a plus. I want to go ahead and put a computer with the editing app and pick Canva on it because Canva is a popular app in my opinion. I mean, I use it and I see a lot of people else use it. So I definitely want to put Canva logo out there so people can know it's legit and they can press on my video and I can get click rate. I'm kind of freeballing here. Like I know what I want, but the images and the graphics don't look right. And that's okay if anyone's having that trouble. You could also go and look for inspiration, or it takes time. It's not a quick thing. I might not be a professional editor, but I know the basics and I know my stuff because I've been editing and doing digital art for a while now. So I'm getting better and better. So this video is basically to help anybody who has trouble and just wants to know how to use the app, or just want to know how to make their own thumbnails without having relying on somebody else. And this is the video. So while I go ahead and figure out my background, I'm gonna give you some tips. When you make a background either light or dark, you will want the text to contrast that background. So the text can be the main subject and pop out. Some bright, vibrant colors that stand out well are yellow, red, green, cyan, orange, and purple. You will want to avoid dull or grayish tones because they blend in. Testing color combinations for thumbnails is also a plus too, and adding shadows or strokes around text for better visibility if needed. So here I finally found the perfect image that includes my computer and editing. This picture is just perfect for me, so even if it takes time, you will definitely find the right background image for you, even if you have to make it for yourself. So instead of the PS logo, I'm gonna go ahead and change that to the Canva logo on top. So now that my background is done, the next step is adding your title. It can either be the title to your video or just a short version of it. So my text will be like my title, how to make a YouTube thumbnail without using AI. So I really like using Canva a lot because it gives you options like the fonts, the colors, the animations, the positions, the effects. So it has its benefits. I want to say I like have favorites like with the fonts or the effects. Really, I just go ahead and just let it correspond with the background. So most definitely I want it on the side. So I want darker, brighter colors where it will pop out. And so I will put that on the side where it's light and people can see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed up a little bit so I can go ahead and line it up right. Now that I've lined it up right the way to I want it, I'm gonna go ahead and change the colors in the font. I do want to go ahead and add the color from the logo and put it to the titles so it can match. Here is an example of color combination that I was talking about before, but I don't know if that's gonna work for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and add another text towards the end and put a different color for that. So here is the final piece. It's the one I have in my title right now, and I'm happy with it. I'm happy what I made. That's the important part. It gets straight to the point, and anyone who sees it should have attraction to it if that's what they are looking for. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. Thank you for all those who continue to support me. If you need any more videos or tips, let me know down in the comments. Thank you for watching.